Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In this video what we will be discussing, we have a particular parameterized constructor in derived class and see how order of execution of constructor and destructor works. You can clearly see over here we have a derived class object and we have given 5 as a parameter to it. It means parameterized constructor must be present in derived class. But the moment it goes to derived class, firstly the execution will always remain same. The constructor of base class will get called. So the moment constructor of base class is we have got base and it's displaying base only. So we'll get base as a start with. Then derived class constructor gets called. Your 5 value is passed to this x and 5 value is given to this m, which is a data member of derived. So we got m as 5 and displaying 5 as such. Derived class destructor will get called first as we discussed in the previous example, and then base class constructor get called. So this is how it actually works out when this question comes. There are many scenarios in which this question can be a variant question, where we have an object of derived class gets created and the parameterized constructor is present in base class. Let's say if we have a parameterized constructor in base class, or in base class over here we have got your a value is equal to x and c out a, and derived class also has constructor and we have written derived obj 5. So guys, what we are writing, if I have to call base class parameterized constructor, what I have to do is I have to write derived then int, let's say x, and we have to write base x and m is equal to x, c out m. So guys, when both parameterized constructors, it means the question is both classes have parameterized constructor. When both classes have parameterized constructor, how does it works? Again, derived class object gets created, 5 is passed. 5 is passed to this directly, 5 is passed to base class parameterized constructor. So it means this 5 is passed over here and a value is assigned as 5 and c out a is 5. Firstly, base class constructor gets called from this side. This is an initializer list, let me tell you. Then m is equal to x over here and c out m5 is given to that as well. So derived class constructor gets called. Destructor of base class and derived class are there. So we'll have the destructor of derived class first and base class after it. So this is the scenario and the answer is going to be like this. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, put it in comment section. I'll try to answer. Thank you very much for your support.